We've been married 53 years. We've always sort of lived with Jim's deafness.
When somebody's deaf, it can be frustrating for them having to repeat and repeat and repeat. They get frustrated, and what you, as a deaf person, what you tend to do, you tend not to ask again. I'm more in the conversation than I was before. So it's a benefit all round. For other people as well, my family, you know, if my wife went out and I was on my own, and we was having something delivered or somebody was coming, I'd spend a lot of time looking out the window. I'm frightened of missing them. I'm comfortable to just relax, sit down and wait for people to come. I do forget I've got it on. I don't even think about it at all. It's so light and so comfortable. That's it. Straightforward. The beauty of this as well, against the Code L2, is that when I get in the car now, I can use my reversing sensors because I can hear them now with this.
Something as simple as saying, yes, Jim, we need to turn left here. And I'd have to say that 2 or 3 times. Whereas now, we just have a conversation like normal people.
I can switch my SuperPower to wireless, and the reception then is incredible. I go in the garden and I can switch the television off and just have the wireless on, and I can listen to the football or the cricket while I'm gardening anywhere. It's unbelievable, really, and so I enjoy that.
With the old aid, once he was outside, that was it. I'd have to go up to him and tap him on the shoulder if he had his back to me. Whereas now, he can hear. So it's a completely different way of life now. Jim's quality of life is better, all round.
And I can hear the washing machine as well, because when the washing machine now finishes, it plays a tune. To tell my wife the washing machine's finished, but it's telling me now the washing machine's finished.
I don't feel as though I've always got to be there. You know, I've always got to be around him in case something happens now. Since he got the new aid, it really is superb.